The Vault suite of products is really meant to address the core content management needs of organizations across the value chain, and this has really been our vision from the outset. For far too long, people have created siloed systems and siloed information within various areas of the business. In some cases, it's within clinical, in some cases within regulatory, in some cases within manufacturing. And over the years, what organizations have come to understand is that it's very difficult to share that information, even though the broader business process really does dictate that that information needs to be shared. And this has caused a lot of pain from a process perspective and a lot of pain from a data perspective. Vault is architected differently. From the outset, Vault has meant to share this information seamlessly across the value chain. And so while Vault eTMF and Investigator Portal focus very much on clinical documentation inside of the electronic trial master file, we recognize that that information flows into the submissions area, that most of that information will actually end up in things like a clinical study report that goes into an eCTD that's submitted to health authorities globally. And so we do things within the application to support that. One is we take the information and make it what we call submission ready. We also allow for that information to be shared from application to application within the Vault environment. Another great example of this is how information is often used from a quality perspective in an eCTD application, in a submission. And in that case, that information is coming from your quality and manufacturing system, moving into your chemical manufacturing control section, module 3 of your eCTD. It's actually even relevant as you get down into the commercial space. If you think about the promotional materials process in life sciences, promotional materials and the claims that are made in promotional materials are supported in large part by the clinical studies that are done early on and by those results. By allowing organizations to leverage those clinical studies and to show that those are the supporting documents for the promotional claims themselves, we create an environment where there's always a single source of the truth. One document, no version confusion, no copies, a single source of the truth that can be leveraged in multiple ways and therefore also reported on in multiple ways. This is critically important when you think about the impact of just a simple SOP. An SOP might be used in a clinical trial to support how the investigators are executing against a study. An SOP might be used in a manufacturing environment. An SOP might also be referenced on the commercial side of the house as you look at how the sales reps in the field are executing against their tasks also. Updating that SOP often has ramifications that people within the organization can't get a window into because there's no visibility into how it's been used. By having a single source of the truth inside of the Vault system, we actually provide a mechanism whereby people can see how that information is being used across the value chain, not just in one significant silo.